What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through my day. I'm going to bring you guys along with me so I can show you guys what my day looks like on a busy day where I have to pull the trailer behind my truck and still go do estimates and then do some consultations. Let's show you guys what Longhorn Landscape is all about. All right, so what I'm going to be doing right now, I'm gonna go dump load already. The trailer's full, and Emiliano with the dump truck and trailer, he's going to come. He's gonna switch over the dump trailer to my brother's truck, and Emiliano's gonna get loaded, and so is the other trailer. So we're gonna try to kill two birds, one stone. What we're doing at the other job site, since we're hauling a lot of dirt as well, I have a dump trailer with the truck that first thing in the morning, me and my brother took it, picked him up, and now he has it. And Emiliano was with the dump truck and dump trailer doing the first two loads. So now we're gonna switch. I'm gonna go dump this trailer, and when I get there, and check it, we'll be loading this trailer up, and I'm gonna be dumping the other one. So it's very busy, and I'm super excited about it. Let's go! Manuel, ¿cuántos camiones crees que van a salir?
Unos 4.
Unos four loads is what he thinks is gonna come out. Como 5? All right, guys, let's roll. So we just got done dumping right there. Now we just pull it forward and off we go. And that was it, boys and girls. Did everything dump. Everything dumped. We're good. Now we just lower it and let's get out of here.
Quería hacer yo ayer en la mañana.
¿Dónde?
Ahí,
Apestas a cigarro, tío. ¿Ahora son de diferentes?
No. No.
Oh, yo pensé que ya no estabas fumando. What?
Mira. El step out está ahí.
Sí.
Lo que quiero yo es meter la pipa por aquí atrás. Todo por atrás. En lugar de meter el slip aquí, meterlo todo por aquí, por atrás. Darle hasta allá. Ya nomás cruzarlo, la pared. Y que quede la pipa por acá.
Pero si queda así.
Pues tiene que quedar. Hasta la orilla.
Ya no, es mejor
Todo el
correrlo
cemento.
por así, por atrás, por la orilla.
Nomás este pedacito
Ya.
va a cruzar por abajo.
Yes.
Se le mete el 90 para abajo, otro 90
Y
ya
ya.
sale.
All right.
Ok.
All right, so the trailer's loaded. As you guys can see, we got all the dirt loaded. Now we're in the good old Chevy 6.0. This thing never fails us. Such a great truck. This truck has about 300,000 miles on it now, and it's never failed us. Gas trucks are a lot better than diesel trucks, in my opinion. Very unpopular opinion. I think gas trucks are better for work than diesels. It's popular opinion because diesels are better, but for work I think gas is the way to go because it's affordable, they never break down, and when they do break down, it's not an arm and a leg to repair. I have a 2015 6.7 Power Stroke that blew the engine a year ago, and I haven't fixed it because they want 40 grand for it, and I just don't see the benefit of doing it when I can just go buy a brand new gasser for 60. You know, it just doesn't make sense to me. But we're gonna end up making it a project truck and then do a nice wrap around it. I think we'll put it back to work eventually, but as of right now, it just sits pretty in the driveway without getting used. It's an unfortunate situation, but it is what it is. We learned that the hard way. We are just pulling up to the dump, and watch me dump this load of dirt. Let's go! Like, I just got back and it's already ready. Let's roll. This is my third load of this morning. We moved pretty fast. For a second I thought it wasn't gonna lift. ¿Y tú qué? Don't try this at home, kids. So we just got done doing all the dump trips. We're going to my first consultation. We're gonna change our shirt and hopefully we make it on time. We always make it on time. All right guys, so I just got done with all my consultations. They went really good, especially the last two. I felt like they were a little more serious. But now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go take a contract over to my client's house and we're gonna get it signed, and I'm just gonna briefly describe exactly what we're going to be doing, and hopefully we can start his project soon. Super excited. Like, what a great way to end the work day, right, in the field and actually doing the business stuff, because then I'm gonna just go have dinner, and after dinner I get back to the grind, and that's just essentially what my day consists of, is pretty much 16-hour work days, and I'm not complaining. I love it. I love what I do, and I love how we're able to transform outdoor living spaces for people. I'm not sure if I'm going to record, you know, me doing the designs and estimates, but probably not. Well, let's go take this contract over to my client. Let's close the deal, collect the deposit. Well, you guys, we collected the check and I'm super happy. It's going to be a little retaining wall job and it's gonna be good. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, give us a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.